Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how to assemble the new cling stamps that Stampin' Up! Has introduced with our 2019 Occasions catalog and 2019 celebration products. So let me open this up and I'll show you how to get started. You're going to want to take out the red rubber and you're going to want to take out your imaging case. And at this point you will want to take off the two little pieces of paper that protect the sticky image. So you're going to find a slit here and you can pull one side off and then the other, and that exposes your cling sheet. And then you're going to pull out the stamp that you need and you're going to pull off this protective backing here. And you're going to make sure that you line this up. The outline of the paper will help you do that, and I like to just set down one edge and make sure everything's lined up and then set the rest down and just tap lightly. That'll adhere the sticker to your back of the red rubber image and the foam. Okay, and at this point you're going to simply lift up the imaging sheet with your fingernail, or you can use your pick a tool to do that with the spatula end. And there you go, you've got your image attached to the foam. Now a couple of tips. This is really sticky, so you want to make sure your block is clean when you put on your stamp, and you're simply going to set it down, kiss it, and lift it up. And as you can see, it's going to hold really well. But because it holds really well, you'll want to be careful when you take it off your block. So once again, you're going to want to take your fingernail or your mini spatula and you're going to slowly pry it up. You don't want to yank this off because you could rip the foam. You want to use a slower measured movement. As far as cleaning these, you do not want to use any kind of solvents on it or alcohol based or wipes because you'll end up getting lint and things on it. So you simply can run this under water to clean the cling side off and make sure it dries well. When you do that, you'll want to make sure there's no water left on the cling when you go to apply it to your block, otherwise it won't stick. There are just a couple of tips for assembling your new cling mount stamps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.